Have you ever wondered how to find anyone online in 2026 using just your smartphone or tablet? The digital world is growing fast, and so are the tools you can use to search for information about people. In this video, I'll introduce you to 10 completely free Termux OSINT tools that you absolutely need to know about if you want to become a pro at online investigations. The internet is a massive treasure trove of information, and with the right open source intelligence tools, you can uncover hidden details about almost anyone, legally and ethically. From social media profiles to public records, there's so much you can discover if you know where to look. Today, I'll walk you through how to use Termux, a powerful Android terminal emulator, to run 10 amazing OSINT tools. These tools can help you investigate usernames, phone numbers, emails, social media accounts, and much more, all without spending a single cent. But before we dive in, here's an important disclaimer. This video is strictly for educational purposes only. The goal is to help you learn and stay safe online. Please use these tools responsibly, always respect privacy laws, and make sure you're not violating anyone's rights while conducting your research. Never use these methods to invade someone's privacy, harass others, or break the law. Ethical use is key to responsible OSINT. If you're ready to become a cyber detective and learn some powerful new skills, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in and explore our very first tool together. Let's start with Sherlock, one of the most powerful tools out there for digital investigations. This tool is a beast for tracking down usernames across hundreds of social networks, making it incredibly useful for anyone who wants to uncover a person's online presence. All you have to do is enter a username, and Sherlock automatically scans over 300 different platforms, everything from popular sites like Instagram and Twitter to more obscure forums and communities, to check if that handle exists anywhere else on the internet. It's super simple to install in Termux, and it runs fast. No complicated setup required. Even if you're new to command line tools, you'll find Sherlock easy to use. The results are clear and organized, giving you direct links to any matching profiles, so you can check them out yourself with just a click. This saves you hours of manual searching. Sherlock is perfect for investigators, journalists, cybersecurity professionals, or anyone curious about digital footprints and online identities. Want to see if your friend's online persona goes deeper than you thought? Or maybe you want to check your own digital footprint and see where your usernames pop up? Sherlock is your go-to tool for both curiosity and security. It's completely free and open source, so you can customize it as needed, contribute to its development, or even add new platforms if you're into coding. Just remember, always get permission if you're searching for someone else. Respect privacy and use Sherlock responsibly. Open Termux, type in a few simple commands, and watch Sherlock hunt down those usernames in seconds. It's that easy to start your own digital investigation. Next up is PhoneInfoga, a top tool for digging up information linked to phone numbers. Ever wondered if that unknown number is a scam or tied to social media? PhoneInfoga searches public sources, detects carrier details, and checks for data breaches. Enter the phone number, and the tool sweeps through multiple sources, gathering data like country, line type, and possible linked accounts. The interface is straightforward, and results are easy to read, perfect for quick lookups. It's open source, so you can trust there's no sketchy data collection. Let's walk through installing PhoneInfoga on Termux and running a basic scan. You'll see how much info you can find in just seconds. Let's dive into the Social Engineer Toolkit, commonly known as SET, a must-have for anyone serious about cybersecurity investigations. This legendary tool is designed to simulate a wide range of social engineering attacks and test human vulnerabilities, making it an essential asset for OSINT investigations and penetration testing. SET comes loaded with powerful modules for phishing, information gathering, and various web attack vectors, allowing you to explore different attack scenarios in a controlled environment. You can use it to clone realistic websites, send convincing test phishing emails, or analyze a target's digital footprint to see what information is publicly available. The intuitive menu-driven interface guides you through each step, making it accessible even if you don't have advanced hacking skills or programming experience. SET is perfect for security training, raising awareness, or simply understanding how social engineering works in real-world scenarios. One of its most powerful features is showing just how easy it can be to uncover sensitive information from only a few basic details, highlighting the importance of protecting your data. Let's see how quick and straightforward it is to get set up and running in Termux right from your smartphone. With just a handful of simple commands, you'll unlock access to a world-class toolkit that empowers you to investigate, test, and learn like a pro. Now, let's dive into TheHarvester. This classic tool gathers emails, subdomains, IPs, and usernames tied to a domain. Enter your target, like a domain name, and it returns a list of emails, subdomains, and associated data from public sources. The setup in Termux is straightforward, and the results are clean and readable. Quickly spot patterns, find out what's public about your organization, or investigate threats, all from your phone. One interesting use case: checking for exposed emails that might be phishing targets. With just a few commands in Termux, you'll see a flood of useful data. Moving on to Recon-ng, a supercharged OSINT framework that automates open-source reconnaissance. Recon-ng organizes your investigation into projects, keeping findings tidy and accessible. It pulls data from dozens of sources, social media, domain records, breach data, and organizes it for you. Run modules in sequence, chaining discoveries together for deeper insights. The menu-driven interface is beginner-friendly, but supports custom scripts for advanced users. Use Recon-ng to track down emails, hosts, usernames, and more. Let's see how to install Recon-ng in Termux and start a basic project. You'll be amazed at what you can uncover with a few simple commands. Now, let's talk about Osintgram, the ultimate tool for extracting Instagram data without logging in. Just enter the username, and you'll get a full profile overview: bio, posts, followers, tagged photos, and more. Perfect for checking your own profile exposure or researching public figures. Setting up Osintgram in Termux is as simple as cloning the repository and running a couple of commands. No special permissions or API keys needed. Let's try Osintgram on a sample account and see how much information we can gather in seconds. Next up is Twint, the tool that lets you scrape Twitter data without API limitations. Search tweets, users, hashtags, and more. No developer keys or complicated setup. Twint is perfect for tracking trends, gathering tweets from specific users, or building social media archives. Filter by date, language, keywords, and export results for analysis. Analyze sentiment or spot bots by scraping vast amounts of public tweets in minutes. Let's fire up Twint in Termux and run a few searches. You'll see just how much Twitter info is publicly accessible. No API headaches. Now let's spotlight UserRecon. This tool tracks usernames across over 75 social networks. Enter a username, and UserRecon instantly tells you where that handle is registered. It's lightweight, speedy, and perfect for use on Termux. The interface is simple. Just type, scan, and review your results. Especially useful for security checks or mapping your digital footprint. Let's run UserRecon on a test username and see how many platforms it appears on. Time for Infoga, a specialized OSINT tool for gathering information linked to email addresses. Infoga scours the web for data connected to any email, breaches, public records, and associated domains. Enter the email, and Infoga digs through search engines and databases to show you everything it finds. The setup in Termux is effortless, and the output is clear and organized. Combine Infoga with TheHarvester or Recon-ng for maximum results. Let's plug in an email address and see the kind of details Infoga can uncover. Finally, let's check out Blackbird. This tool finds social media profiles by username across over 100 platforms. Enter a username, and Blackbird scans dozens of networks, giving you direct links to discovered accounts. The tool is easy to install and runs smoothly on Termux. Blackbird can help you discover forgotten accounts or check if someone is impersonating you online. Let's run Blackbird on Termux and see how many places a single username can show up. You'll gain a whole new appreciation for your digital footprint. There you have it, 10 incredible, totally free Termux OSINT tools to help you find almost anyone online in 2026. Each tool has its strengths, from hunting down usernames and emails to unmasking phone numbers and tracking social media accounts. Remember, always use these tools ethically and legally. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tech content. Until next time, stay curious, stay safe, and keep exploring the world of OSINT.